This grouping is called blush. It, similar to other artwork that I've received, is an image that somebody sent to me, and I placed it on Photoshop, developed it into multiple layers, disarranged it, separated it. It does not look like the original flower, but you can see the patterns in it are definitely very digital, very photoshopped, okay? And because of the need for it to support itself, we're using 14 gauge aluminum wire. We're using something that I developed as well called skins. Skins are aluminum mesh that has actually been dipped in paint, because if I tried to spray it, it would not stick or take. So then I cut every piece in order to conform to the needs of the particular flower that was developing. People ask me, do I have an image of what this is going to turn out like at the end? I have a general image of what I'd like it to be, but you can see with all the colors, all the shapes, the separations, the different opportunities, even though there's only 3 or 4 different materials that I'm using, you can change them in so many permutations and combinations that it turns out to be a beautiful series of 3 projecting flowers. I hope you enjoy them.